Ayan, si CJ. Hi, CJ. Meron tayo ditong gulay fresh from the garden. Ayan, pwede natin ilagay dito banda ang ating gulay. Ayun. Ito, doon. You want the, okay, you want this? Oh, sit down. Oh, ito muna, eat muna. Yes, yes, after, eat. After eating. After eating, then you can have the, you can have one of that, yes. Kain muna. Sarap maghigop ng sabaw, mga kaibigan. Ayun, o, dami natin ditong gulay fresh from the garden. Ang mga kale at pichay. Pinakuluan natin ang ating bihon dito. Oh, luto ng bihon natin. Hello sa inyong lahat! Sarap maghigop ng sabaw na. Ayan. Kumain na si CJ. Hello mga kaibigan! Kain na! Kain! Hatpat tayo. Hatpat, pampa... Ha? Oh, you want tubig? May tubig ka dito. Oh yeah, that's yours. Yeah. That's yours.
You want Christiana to come home?
Yeah, so she can eat. She need to eat.
We're going to be eating again, though.
Si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan doon sa aming kapitbahay. Nakiano siya. Nakipaglaro kay friend niya. Ayun. Ayan, higop-higop muna tayo ng sabaw kay... Tikman natin ang ating noodles. Hindi pa masyadong luto ang noodles. More time pa. Okay. Higop. Hindi ko pala ito tinakpan. Sus ko. Sana tinakpan natin. Ito para dyan. Hello mga kaibigan. Fresh gulay. Sarap ng sabaw. Init pa man. Gusto maghigop sa ako? Kain tayo. Higop-higop lang muna. Si Don Julio, may pansit dito, may macaroni. Si Agoy-Agoy, nangapit bahay sa kanyang friend. Tikman natin ang noodles. A little bit more. Tagal na malutong noodles na to. Ang gulay ko dito ba? Ano, John? Ayan, pizza sa garden, mga kaibigan. More spaghetti? Ako na magkuha. Ito? Okay. Okay. Wash your hands, please, so you can eat.
I'm thirsty.
You have water here, Goy.
Give me.
Wash your hands.
Oh, more spaghetti? Wow!
More?
Big boy!
Please let her wash her hands before she
So wash your hands. I might have some more macaroni salad. You drink too fast, now you're burping.
Mhm.
What's more?
Is that macaroni? Should I have that one?
Yeah.
Have that one? Okay.
Ayan, so babalik lang ng ating mga nagala, mga kaibigan, ng si Daddy.
I don't get this one much. Shouldn't have it much either, though.
It's Christmas, baby.
Yep, it's Christmas.
But the swing is fast.
This is good.
I lost a drone.
Yep.
Who? You?
Yeah.
Whose drone is that?
I was flying it.
Wait.
Because
And we had to get out.
we went looking for it.
wasn't
That's why I
there.
took the golf cart. We went looking around the neighborhood for it.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. So what you gonna do now?
Well, they're gonna see if they get another one sent from the company. They just took off. If not, I'm gonna buy them one.
I'm gonna buy one for Wade.
Mhm.
Oh. Should I? Should I get
Yeah, because Wade lost his Christmas gift. Go, you want some noodles?
No thanks. No.
Okay. Ang dami kasi ditong pagpilian.
Come on.
Did you wash your hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I just did.
Mm.
Okay, perfect. I just wanna make sure. Ayan mga kaibigan, magaon sa kay
Hot pot.
hot pot. Ate Delma, ito na yung niluto ko, te. Sabaw. Where's your spoon, fork?
Hey, who take my fork?
That's okay, I'll get you one.
Can you give me some more lemon for the
Lemon? Where's lemon? Here.
fork?
The lemon is good.
Need lemon?
Oh,
Good
no.
one.
Yay.
Uh-oh.
Here, honey. That's only water. No problem, okay? That's okay. So lemon is good with the spaghetti, babe?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's best with.
Masarap. What do you want, buddy? Please give CJ lemon, sweetie pie. Please give him 2. Probably he wants more. Ayun kabegang.
Oh.
Noodles tayo.
Oh. Out.
Sakpan natin. Okay lang. So you play with your friend, go ahead. Did she like your gift?
Yeah. So bad. He said thank you.
How about Wade?
I tell you, he says thank you.
Oh.
This one likes Wade now.
Guys, more.
Oh, thank you, CJ. I don't think I need
Mommy,
lemon.
guess what? Wade and Bradley come on my truck. Come on.
They ride in the golf cart with us.
Yeah. They're loud. So
Oh.
Wade got so excited.
Whose golf
he
cart?
wa- Mine.
Ours.
Oh, you bring the golf cart?
You didn't hear me take off with it?
No. I
And
bring mine.
Bradley, wait
You were,
for me.
you were cooking. I walked in here, grabbed the keys, and
Yeah, I bet.
Wait for me. I want to ride.
Good.
this one likes Wade now. Before, Wade, yucky. Where's Wade at?
They, because they're all candies.
But I already opened it when I got in.
What did Britney say? It's all candies. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Nag-craving ako ng sabaw mga kaibigan.
What's the deal, Daddy? There's too much time. It's too much. Too much deal.
Oh yeah? Really?
Oh, I'm not it, brother. Mommy, we got a new swing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We have a rainbow swing, and our swing from the rain is dirty.
Nice.
We throw it away.
Yeah, probably that's old. So
And we
the,
have a new one.
so the grandpa put a new one?
No, you
The pop.
just did it right now. Sean hooked it up.
Nice.
Right now.
Because their sprinkler, babe, make it wet
Wet.
every time. Sprinkle.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Mm. Kaibigan, sabaw ah. Uy! Hindi para yung nilagay ng maayos? Ito pala na ilagay ng maayos yung aking ano. Here, sweetie.
Like that.
Here, CJ. Hindi pala na ilagay maayos.
Is that your water?
Yours?
What's this?
Yours.
But I have no more cups.
Good, good.
I
I will try that later.
What's that?
I will try that later. Put some lemon
Oh yeah,
on
yeah.
the spaghetti.
It was good mixed with pancit too.
Oh, I like that.
With the lemon? No, the spaghetti and the lemon and the pancit together.
What's that? Pick it up.
The pancit mixed with spaghetti was good. You had them together earlier.
Yeah, I see that.
It was good. And it had lemon on it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Maybe try that one. CJ, you want sabaw? You want higop sabaw? Higop sabaw? It's yummy. There's more sabaw later. CJ like it.
Smasher. Here, here. Here.
Yummy, CJ?
Apple Messiah. Messiah.
Hmm?
The blue.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Yan, pawisan na ako. Gumawa ako ng hot pot.
Me, Daddy.
Dinamihan ko ng luya. Ang anghang sabaw. More sabaw?
Mama needs the water.
Daddy, please give her water. Good? More?
Basha. A turtle. A turtle.
You like the noodles?
Little mess. Look up. Happy.
Happy. Ah,
Happy. Peppa.
this is a wheat noodle, CJ. This is wheat.
Turtle. Eat.
Ah. Oh, you want some more spaghetti?
You guys forgetting your plate.
Hmm?
What's forgetting on the plate, dude? Hey, you stop laughing. La la la!
Mm. Basa na yung sa
Yeah, you laugh one for time. I'll put this in there. Dude. Dude. I like dude.
Guy?
I like dude.
Guy? Not nice.
Don't call people dudes.
You said it. Hello, dude. Hello, dude.
Not
Boy,
to
ha?
mommy. I don't call mommy dude.
Bubbles. 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 You say it. Don't say it. One more time I'll put my fork inside that bowl. I'll mix it. And put something in it. Yummy.
Yummy? Yummy. Yummy daw mga kaibigan, sabi ni CJ. More sabaw? Hindi ko nang kita ng bowl. Akala ko.
See? I thought she moved it. Oh.
Get your bowl.
Ooh. And that's
Sit down, please.
the big bubbles.
You can use this one. Oh, shush, careful, careful. Careful, that's spicy.
Hot. Is it hot?
That's because I'm eating with my little room so far.
Blow.
It is good. I had it
It's
earlier.
still hot. Use this one. Oops! Nalaglag. Mm. Gusto ni CJ ang sabaw. Higop sabaw. Pwede na, oh. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit.
This side.
Bite, give a bite, give a bite. Bite the noodles. Okay. Ano ka?
Riri. It's more Riri.
Hmm?
Riri.
Meat?
Butter. Butter.
This one?
No. Riri.
Okay. You have, oh, dami naman na, oh. Wag na.
Ooh.
Ang dami mo dyan, oh. Ang dami mo, oh. Here. Mm.
This lemon.
Wow, I really like it.
So what? This lemon.
I really like with lemon.
I'm gonna put this there. For good.
I go to the bathroom. I get ready to. We're gonna be leaving in like 20 minutes.
Where? We're going.
Mexico.
No, we're going to see Helen and Grandma.
Oh, so you know.
Okay. Here, bite. Mm. Good job, CJ. Si CJ. Oh, diba?
He's crazy Grandma. He looks like Grandma.
Ano, Goy?
He looks like Vicky. Ow.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, CJ. Sa'yo yan, CJ. Sinusubuan pa ako ni CJ, oh. Bait talaga ni Don Julio, mga kaibigan.
Oh, Mommy, I'm finishing all the lemon.
Wow, you finished all the lemon.
On double. I need it.
It's okay, I'm gonna get some.
Some
What
more.
apple?
I need more.
Thank you.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, tapos na. Thank you, Lord. Nakahigop ng sabaw. Kay, iba talaga pag walang sabaw. Tingnan mo, Don Julio. Kuha pa ko ng lemon, Goy. Gusto niya agoy-agoy ng lemon, mga kaibigan. Sa ano, kanyang spaghetti. Wow.
Can you squish this?
Hold on. Magawa pa ako ng lemon sa ano. Kaya kailangan talaga nating magtanim ng kalamansi. Kaya, oh! Ubos man sa ating chikiting. Hindi pa naman ito mabibili dito. Wala kang makikitang ganito dito. Iba talaga ang kalamansi kaysa regular na lemon lang.
Can you squish this? Can you squish for the lemon? All the lemons for this?
May seeds ha. Huwag mo kainin ang seeds na mapait yan.
Mommy, need some more cake, some more cake.
Oh, you want the cake? Okay. Okay, just wait, okay? Hold on.
Yeah. Cupcake?
Yes.
Yeah, I want some cupcake too.
When you finish that, that's it. That's good. One for you and one for CJ.
Can I do this now?
No, you're gonna finish your spaghetti first because ang dami niyan. Settle down, CJ. Ayan, ang mga leftovers ni Don Julio. Kainin natin to para walang sayang. Linisin natin ang kanyang place. Okay. This the left, the other one is for Ate. Okay? This is Krishana, okay?
Yes, she said.
Mm-hmm. What you gonna say?
Thank you, Mommy. It's chocolate.
You're welcome, CJ.
Red.
You're welcome. Turn off na natin yan kay... Ano na? Okay, tapusin natin to kay sayang ang sabaw. Yung gulay natin, meron pa. Sama na natin yan mamaya sa ating hugasan na to. Hugasan. Ayan, leftover ni CJ. Kainin ko kay Usik. Goy, finish your food ha. Before the cake. Naku, ang dami nang nakain mo, be. Bagay hindi mo maubos yan. Nabusog ka na. Need spoon, darling?
Yeah, I'm already busted.
I know, busog ka na, but you get some more.
Finish it.
Okay, put it aside.
That's it. Nothing like that food.
Okay.
And then, that's okay.
Okay, wait lang.
Agoy.
Here, bud.
Yummy. The cupcake. Thank you.
Ay, tikman ko nga. Okay.
A cupcake.
Sorry. Tikman nga natin itong spaghetti na may maraming lemon. So, ano kayong lasa nito? CJ, what happened? Huh? What's happening?
It's good.
Wow. Parang sweet and sour. Sweet and sour pala yan, Goy. Nako.
That's okay for me. Not,
Sweet and sour, mga kaibigan.
not for you. Is that good for you?
Ano? seeds na kasi mapait yan. You don't eat the seeds, okay?
Did you eat the seed?
Sila lang ang nakaubos sa mga icing. Good job, CJ. Kinain mo yung cake.
It's not cake, cupcake. It's not cake.
Cupcake. Okay.
Not cake.
Alright.
Mm.
Very good. Excuse me. Salad di Don Julio. Simpleng noche buena namin mga kaibigan. Gusto ni Chris ang macaroni. Ito lang kinain ni Chris. Nag-dessert lang siya. Busog pa ata siya sa arting. Busog pa ata siya sa kanyang kinain kanina. Don, are you done? Baby? Hmm? O sige. Hugasan kong kamay ni CJ mga kaibigan, ha? Mag-dessert muna tayo.
Well, we have no more cupcakes.
Ito, macaroni. Salad. Ano yan? Ano yan? Uy! You okay? Muntik na.
Okay.
You're okay, right? Okay. Okay na. Okay sa all expenses yan. Okay, sige po. Babay muna mga kaibigan, ha?
Okay.
Kita lang tayo mamaya kay magligpit na ako. Hugasan ko ng kamay ni... Hugasan ko ng kamay ni... Oh, CJ. Okay? Thank you very much. Hello sa inyo, Victoria Ayari.
Messi.
Say Merry Christmas. Ingat po. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you.